Welcome to this video. In this session, you will see the demo of panel subassembly builder. Before I talk about this application, why we need this tool? Of course, we all know that it is critical to add ferrules, lifting brackets, casting plates, and other embedded items as subassembly to panel. Even though most of the components have inbuilt feature to add as a subassembly, there are few items we still need to add it. And it is merely the responsibility of the detailer to make sure that all the embedded objects added as subassembly to the panel. So what happens if it is not done? It leads to other critical issues, and also it causes delay in erection schedule. Actually, this application takes care of it and add all the embedded objects that comes within the bounding box of the panel and add as a subassembly. Let's see the demo. In the interest of the time, I have already added a few components to this panel, but these components are not added as subassembly. Let me just hide this panel as an assembly. By pressing the shift key, when I click hide, it completely hides, but here you can see all these objects are visible. That means that these are not added as subassembly. Now, and also if I can open the Enquire object, there is no embedded objects list here. Now double click and open this tool. Change the switch to select objects in components and pick only the panel and run this tool. What happens is this will add all the objects that comes within the bounding box of this panel and add them as a subassembly. Now if I go and hide this object as an assembly now, you can see the objects are not visible. That means all those objects are added as a subassembly. Now I'm going to enquire this part and all the embedded objects added as a subassembly. So you can also select multiple panels and run this tool to save time. And there are scenarios where you just wanted to exclude some parts. Just for an example, I'm going to create a connection between these two. You don't want to add this plate as a subassembly. In that case, I'm selecting all these plates. Go to the user-defined attribute. Panel assembly. Change this option to yes. You don't have to create this user-defined attribute because objects.inp file will also be included in the installation package. When you install this application, objects.inp file will be copied to the system folder. So next time when you open the software, obviously you can see this panel assembly tab and also this user-defined attribute. Now once again, I'm going to run this tool. Maybe for example, let me take any one of them and say no. It means this plate will be added as a subassembly, but not other plates because of the condition. So selecting these two panels, run this tool. I'm going to select these two panels and hide. Can you see these three plates are visible? That means these plates are loose parts. This application actually saves a lot of time for me. I don't have to go back, check the subassembly components in the panel. Thank you for watching this video.